Here's another story about this same sort of type of what do you think? I think we should probably call the segment "What do you think?" That might be a good idea. But a bank enforces a customer dress code. After some bank robberies took place in Florida, a couple of them, with an individual wearing a hat, sunglasses, and a hood, the bank decided, and the Florida Banking Association decided that it was, might be a good thing for individual banks to start implementing a policy. So some banks have started to do that. Due to the crime spree, now banks have, introduced this policy where you cannot come into the bank with a hat, a hood, or sunglasses. So I say to myself, have you ever been to the bank with a hood, a hat, or sunglasses? And my response is, yeah, America. When I'm not filming the Fowler show and I'm not working and I'm not on television, I try to be as cash as possible. I.e., there's a lot of times I'll have a hat on. You've seen me tape a show with a hat on, for those of you who are watching on YouTube, where I have the hat backwards and a hoodie. And sometimes from time to time in the summer, I'll have some really big sunglasses on. So you're telling me that if I was in Florida, I couldn't go to my bank because I had a hat, sunglasses, and a hoodie on? Or I had to take all those off before I can go to the bank? It's one thing to say you can't come into the bank because you don't have any pants on. Or you can't come to the bank because, you're not wearing any shoes. Or you can't come to the bank because you have no shirt on. But I can't come to the bank because I have too much clothes on? I don't know about this. And this is what you call, I forgot what my mom used to call it, but it's basically the sins of one cause many to suffer. This robber has basically made it hard for all the people that bank at this location, because now they can't go to the bank just dressed in their everyday cash. What happens if you're a construction worker and you wear a hat and sunglasses as part of your uniform? You have to take that all that off before you go to the bank? I don't know. All I'm saying is this is something that should cause pause in many Americans. And to be perfectly honest, if the bank that I went to decided this, I think I would take my money out the bank. Because if I can't come to the bank in a hoodie or maybe a hat or sunglasses, and I have to get dressed before I go to the bank and get the money that belongs to me, my money, I think I'd be pretty upset about it. I really would. I'm thinking the more and more I think about this, the more I think about how sad I would if I went to my bank right now with a hoodie on. They'd be like, sorry, sir, you need to take your hoodie off before you can come to the bank. And I'm like, to get my money? Are you crazy? I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Maybe I'm overreacting here. I don't know.